Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Well, welcome. My winter Walmart beauty box has arrived, so I thought we would unbox it together. I don't know what's inside, so it's a total surprise. So if you guys want to be surprised with me and see what is inside of my Walmart beauty box for winter, then keep watching. If this is your first Walmart beauty box video that you're seeing of mine, they are the best. They're, I think, $5.99, under $10. So total, it's under $50 a year, which is great. It's a surprise every single time. It is a lot of samples, that's why it's so affordable. But honestly, I personally really like that because I do like to try new products. A lot of the times the samples are hand creams, body lotions, or body washes, which I kind of like because those are things that you always need. So let's open this up. I still have the plastic wrap on it. I do have high hopes for this box because the boxes this year have been so good. And this one also feels very heavy. So here's the inside. First up is this Shimmer Radiance body oil sample. I love Palmer's, so this looks really fun. Definitely fun for the holiday season. I'm filming this on the 23rd, so it's 2 days before Christmas. If you guys want to pick this up for New Year's Eve, that'd be really, really fun. I'm gonna see if it's on Amazon because Amazon will be really quick. So I'm excited for this. I love Palmer's oil. I need to get more because I put it on in the shower. Pro tip, put this oil on in the shower after you dry off and you're still a little damp. You will have baby soft skin. Next up is this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Cream. Like I said, this is a sample we get all the time, but I don't mind it. I love this cream. I have been using it literally my whole entire life. I will use these as hand cream. I will leave them at my bed, on my vanity, in my pocketbook, literally everywhere. They're also just good if you run out of your normal lotion and you forget to buy something, or you just don't have time to go run out and buy something. It's always good to just have on hand. Next up we have this Batiste Touch Activated Dry Shampoo. Again, this is a sample size, but this will last you a while. I have never seen this one. This refreshes hair and releases bursts of fragrance with every touch. That's really cool. And there's up to 24-hour fragrance. This is a new product I haven't tried, so I'm excited to try this one out. Next up, we got the e.l.f. Sun Touchable. This is like the Supergoop. I just ran out of mine. This is why I was so excited, because I just ran out and I ran to CVS last night and I forgot to grab one. So I'm so happy I got it in there. That happens all the time with my subscription boxes. I'll be running out of something and then I get it in the box. It's like the subscription gods know. It's kind of scary, but I'm not kidding. I just ran out of this. I love this product. It gives you a really pretty glow from within, and I used it all summer. It lasts forever, and I did notice my face did not burn. It's a good sunscreen. It's SPF 35 sunscreen. And the last product is this Plum Beauty Contour Facial Roller. I've always wanted to try one of these, so I'm very excited that this was in my box. This is why it was so heavy. This lifts and firms. It's going to help tighten and tone the look of skin around your eyes, lips, and forehead. This is going to help drain puffiness, toxins, reveal a more lifted and chiseled complexion, and will promote blood circulation for smoother and firmer skin. I really need to add these to my skincare routine. This and gua shas, jade rollers, I have them all. But that's like my goal for 2025 is to use these because people swear by them. So I really want to see if it makes a difference in my face. I'm really excited. This feels really nice. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. This is fancy. It has weight to it. Feels nice on the back of the hand. Definitely going to try this tonight. I feel like this is just something I will roll on my face while I'm watching TV or even reading. I'll just sit and read and roll. If you guys have any like tips and tricks on how to use this little device, please let me know in the comments. And that was the winter Walmart beauty box. I'm so impressed. If you guys get Walmart beauty box, what did you get? Did we get anything of the same, different? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time.